Hello everyone. Today I will read this BCI. It's from a Peugeot 207. I think year it's 2006, 2007. But this model of BCI you can find also in other Citroën and Peugeot models. So normally I will do the reading with VVDIProg for both. What I'm referring, this BCI have a microprocessor with flash and EEPROM, and also have an additional EEPROM. Unfortunately, I don't have access to none of them. Okay, this is a label. I buy it from scrapyard. I will open it and I will show you how to read both data with VVDIProg only. Okay. Little bit hard clips. Here it's painted. Have some glue. It's always annoying me, this type of glue. Okay. Okay, and everything should be out. First, what can I say? This has never been touched or programmed by someone else. I will zoom in a little bit. So this is the work area, but until I will zoom in, I will show you what we will need. We will need MC9S12 cable. The reason we will need this cable, it's due to the processor. It's DP512. So it's a MC9S12 DP512, the processor, and the EEPROM. It's if I remember correctly, it's a ST95128. To read the EEPROM, what I did, I took a cable which has the clip for in-circuit reading. I removed the wires from this clip. I mark each wire with the pin number. So for example, the first one with the red, it's the pin number 1. So we can see it's pin number 1. We can measure from here where it's stated 1 to here, it will beep. The second cable, it's the pin number 8, also marked as an 8. The second is the first one from right top, and so on. The third one, it's number 2, as you can see. The fourth one, it's number 7, but you can do it yourself, this type of cable, if you need to do this type of jobs. But first, what I will do, I will prepare the points for soldering to read the flash first. We will read the flash and the EEPROM from the flash. Okay, seems my drill doesn't have enough battery. I forgot to charge. But we can manage without the drill, because we have some points. Until I get to the critical point, maybe it will charge a little bit, and then proceed. So we have this pin. I will scrap a little bit because it has some coating. I don't want to spend time put solution to remove the coating, because these pads are big and I can scrap them a little bit in order to achieve my results. Here it doesn't matter, I can scrap it. I'll scrap a little bit more. Of course, this is the ground. As you can see, it's a lot of ground, so I'm not afraid of damaging. But the reset pin, it's very important to drill a little bit, because the reset pin I can easily damage and not be able to read it further. Let's see if I can stick here. Okay, I need to scrap it a little bit more. Here it's okay. Also okay. The coating is tricking me a lot. But I managed to make a point where I can solder it. Okay, it's enough. That's it's a ground, and we will need the reset. Okay, the reset, I know it's this one. Okay, I need to charge it more. Not enough power. Okay, what I will do, I will stop the video a few minutes and then return in the same position to continue this. But don't worry, I will put in the video the clear pinout for reading the MCU and also the EEPROM, but we will go step by step, and the pinout will be close to the end. I hope it charged a little bit in order to scrap for this pin. Okay, now I have a shiny shiny pad. Maybe we can see it a little bit. Let's clear the alcohol. Add some flux, way too much. I will clean later. All good. So we will solder the power, the VCC, the ground. I will solder here. The data, the purple wire, and the yellow, which is the reset. Okay, let's switch to the computer. So first I will do an identification. So as you can see, the ID is 0404. It's an MCU, it's a Motorola MC9S12. It's a DP512 unsecured, and the mask we can find it here, 4L00M, and it was ID. So let's read the EEPROM. Okay, EEPROM has been read successfully. Don't worry, it doesn't have the EEPROM from the MCU too much data. Only here it has some data. Also here a little bit more data, but not too much data in the EEPROM. So let's save it. BCI XX. I will save like this, MCU EEPROM. Now let's read the flash. It's taking a little bit to read it, but it will be read without any problems. And we have data. So we have also a copy of the flash. Let's save the flash. MCU flash. So first step, we have read Okay, so we read the flash and the EEPROM from the MCU. Now we can remove the pads if we don't need to do any programming or something else. And we will proceed with reading the EEPROM. So most of the pads of the EEPROM data are here. Not most, just few of them. I will remove this label, but I will not remove entirely from the board. I will lift only a little bit. Just to reach where I need. So let's see what I will need. I think I will need this one, this one. Okay, let's proceed. If I remember correctly, I will look also on the previous pinout which I made. And now the pin number 8 is going here where the power from the MCU has been. Okay, let's see the other one. The other one is going where? Here. If I had some extra battery. Okay. That one I will cover. Let's see the rest of them. I will need this one, it's okay, this one, it's okay, this one, it's okay. And where I need to I know, here. Okay, let's see if I have everything right. The pin number 1, it will go here. We will add flux on all pads. The pin number 1 here. Okay. We need the pin number 2, which is the third one. And we'll cross check. Okay. And it's there. I will need 5. We need 6 and 4. I found 6. And the last one, it's a 4. It's the pin number 4 from EEPROM. Okay, if anything have been soldered properly, the first pin, it's here, also marked there. We'll change to the EEPROM ST. This and this I will close. So M95128 and click on the read. So we have read also the data from the EEPROM. I will save it and I will say EEP M95128. Let's see the EEPROM, it's encrypted, but let's retrieve also the pin code. Okay, I will use this software from Abrites. So it's a CAN BCI Valeo, and this is the pin code. UPIH. Now we can remove the solder pads and we have read it successfully. The same way we have a read, we can write it without any problems. This type of BSI. Okay. Can stick the label back, and this is it. We have read both of memories. If you like, please subscribe.